I stayed at the beautiful Jade Mountain, and it was beyond my wildest dream. Oh, it's huge! Holy! Oh my God. This is not the room we booked. Got a massive upgrade from the start to, I believe this is like the Galaxy Sanctuary. However, it was the room in the picture that I've been staring at for years. So there's no third wall, and the washroom is completely open. So come alone or be very comfortable with who you come with. We did a vegetarian cooking class with the executive sous chef. In wine, we talk about grapes that come from volcanic soil, but how is no one talking about the fruits and food that comes from the volcanic soil in places like St Lucia? The dasheen, that yam. I've never tasted fruit like this before. Yeah. Nice. What's in the mix?